Very good morning, children. I welcome all of you to this video session of the topic related to the second lesson in microeconomics titled Consumers' Demand and Equilibrium. Here, today we are going to discuss about the indifference curve analysis. Indifference curve analysis means it deals with the consumer's satisfaction derived from the commodities. How much satisfaction the consumers derive from the commodities? It is shown through the indifference map in this analysis. So, let me define what is indifference curve, and first we have to discuss assumptions for the indifference curve. The first one is the behavior of the consumer is rational. That is, he always tries to maximize his satisfaction. Utility is ordinal. That is, we cannot measure the utility. The third one is diminishing marginal rate of substitution. Fourth one is consistency in choice. He is very consistent in choice. No other changes will be there in his choices. The next one is transitivity in choice making. And the last one is goods consumed are substitutable. So, children, these are the assumptions put forward by an economist for this analysis. Next, we can define what is indifference curve. An indifference curve is the locus of the points representing all the different combinations of two goods which yield equal level of utility to the consumer. So, this curve, the indifference curve, it joins the points of all the different combinations of the two goods which yield equal level of satisfaction to the consumer. Next, we can see the indifference schedule. We know that schedule means it may be some other table, and it shows the list of the various combinations of the commodities which are equally satisfactory to the consumer concerned. So, this indifference schedule actually shows the combinations of the commodities which gives equal satisfaction to the consumers. See here, through the table it is more clear. Here the combinations apples it is given as 15 units and the mangoes 1 unit. So here, that is, the two combinations of goods are given that gives both satisfaction to the consumer. That both commodities gives a equal satisfaction to the consumer. In the next one, we can see the combination B. What is there? There are also 11 apples and 2 mangoes. Shows the combinations which gives the equal satisfaction to the consumer. So here indifference curves, it shows the all possible combinations of apples and mangoes between which a person is indifferent. Point A shows the consumption bundle consisting of 15 apples and 1 mango. Moving from point A to point B, we are willing to give 4 apples to get a second mango. So the total utility is the same at the point A and the point B. So here the indifference curve, it shows the different combinations of the commodities which gives what? A equal satisfaction to the consumers. So that is the indifferent. Here we can see that 14 and as per the schedule it is drawn here. Here it is 15 and here we can see the 1 unit of mango. Next here we can see the combination B. It is 11 units apples and 2 units of mangoes. So here 4 apples we have foregone to get the 1 additional unit of mango. And the point B also gives the consumer a same level of satisfaction. And the point C we can see, that is 8 units of apples and 3 units of mangoes. This point also gives the consumer a same level of satisfaction. So as we have to consume more and more of mangoes, we have to reduce our consumption of apples. So here we can see the different points A, B, C, D and E gives the consumer the same level of satisfaction